In this video, we'll walk through the setup of the ramps, ramp straps, and indicator for the DETECTO 7150-AC ADA compliant wheelchair scale. Before installing the ramps, ensure the column is fully locked, then carefully lift the scale on its side into the storage and transport position. An assistant should help lift and support the platform during installation. Position the first ramp against the platform mounts. Apply thread locker to a flathead screw and install it through the upper mounting location into the rubber mount. Do not tighten completely. Repeat this process for the lower mounting location. Once both screws are installed, tighten securely. Repeat the same process on the opposite side of the platform. To install the ramp strap, position the flat side of the ramp strap underneath the extended mounting tab on the ramp and align the mounting holes. Apply thread locker to the first screw, thread it through the mounting tab and into the strap. Repeat with the second screw, then tighten both screws securely using the supplied hex key. Attach the opposite end of the same ramp strap to the platform using the same procedure. Repeat the process to install the second ramp strap on the opposite side of the platform. Once complete, get assistance to lay the scale down flat on the floor. Release and raise the column to standing position. Remove the nut from the bolt on the back of the indicator, place the indicator on the mount, and reattach the nut, ensuring it's tightened completely. Connect the indicator cable to the load cell port on the back of the indicator. Installation is now complete. Verify that all hardware is secure and that both ramps and ramp straps are properly attached before placing the scale into service. To prepare the scale for transport or storage, release the column locking mechanism and carefully fold the column down onto the platform. Once the column is fully lowered, engage the locking latch to secure it in place. Carefully lift the scale on its side into the storage and transport position where it can be easily rolled to its next location. An assistant should help lift and guide the scale during transport. Always verify the column is securely locked before moving the scale. For additional assistance, contact DETECTO Technical Support or visit detecto.com.